WCTV Pinpoint Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
Well, good morning, everybody. We see what's left of the showers in our area continuing their work east. There are still some big showers from Gainesville out towards Jacksonville, but for most of our area, we're done. Take a look at the last 12 hours as that line held together real well. Did have some pretty strong wind gusts associated with some of those cells, but now it's about when can we clear up those skies. That should happen a little bit later on today, and I don't think we're going to see temperatures get much warmer than they are right now. 64 in Valdosta, still with some light rain coming down. Thomasville, 59 and cloudy with a pretty good breeze from the west and northwest. Same story in Tallahassee. That breeze up to 18 miles per hour, actually down from 23 miles per hour last hour. Before midnight, officially picking up about 9/10 of an inch of rain and likely about 1/3 of an inch since midnight. So definitely a decent soaking, taking a little chunk out of that rainfall deficit, which for the month still sitting at about 1/2 of an inch. 73 was yesterday's high. Not going to get anywhere near that for the next several days. We are still in the 60s in our easternmost areas. Monticello 61, Perry 63, Live Oak and Cross City it's 65. But look north and west, we've got those cooler temperatures where those winds turned a little bit faster, a little bit sooner, and some of that cooler air is filtering in. Blakely's 52, Mariana's 54. I do think today will be breezy, hopefully not as windy as it was throughout the day yesterday, but winds in that 8 to 18 mile per hour range, maybe even 10 to 20, something we're going to notice. And there's a lot of cloud cover that extends back to at least the Apalachicola River with much lighter and thinner clouds all the way back into parts of Mississippi. So for several more hours, we'll still have to contend with some of that cloud cover. But as we scour that out, as we freshen that breeze from the northwest and bring in the cooler and drier air, big changes coming for us today. It is going to get awfully cool out there. And I think the next couple of nights, we're looking at flat out cold, especially Saturday morning and Sunday morning. On the Gulf today, the winds, the seas, they'll subside a little bit later on. Northwest breezes 12 to 22 knots and seas 2 to 5 feet. Here's a look at the tide times. The high tide's finished just after 5 a.m., so low tides will get started in a little while. 50s and 60s. Showers linger, but move away to the east. We're talking 50s for highs. That's it, and temperatures going the other way with those breezy conditions this afternoon. Low 30s tonight. Probably going to stay above freezing because there should be enough of a breeze around, but better chances to get below freezing. That'll be on Saturday morning and on Sunday morning. Also, guys, notice those highs staying in the 50s.